So this is a review of the Battlefield 4 video game for the PlayStation 3 that I would highly recommend. This Battlefield 4 for the PlayStation 3, it's really a fun action game for, if you are a fan of like Call of Duty, Black Ops, this is quite similar to that. And what you get from here is obviously you get the Battlefield 4. It's some premium pack that you get so that it's like an add-on. Then you get the Battlefield 4 gameplay instructions that it comes with. So if you are like lost or something, this will guide you, the instructions. And then the quality is very nice on here. You get the Battlefield 4 CD, and the CD is really nice too. Overall, if you are a fan of Call of Duty, Black Ops, or any type of a action video game, then Battlefield 4 is something that would definitely not disappoint you. It's really fun to play with, and it has online as well too, like online battles and gameplays. And yeah, I would highly recommend Battlefield 4 if you are a fan of Call of Duty. Then this is something that's quite similar, and it is really fun to use even till today.